Welcome back to F&S Kesana apho sitla ngeendaba zabantu singabuzwanga ulapha nje uthandazana naqala.
Yabo njengoba sengikhulume kangaka iyona ndlela-ke nami ebengithi phola sithandwa sami nami sengipholile u-exist empilweni yomuntu wakhe nabantu bakhe labo aphila nabo avumelana.
Yabona uThobile when she speaks like this ngoMakhwela uyandisappointa and I feel like she mustn't go there. She must just not even touch igama likaMakhwela. Makamyeka ndithi exist and then focus on her and her husband and everything else that is happening around her. Amyeke uMakhwela because for him no ingathi uthoba umgangatho wakhe because uthe akangeni ndawo empilweni yakhe. So why are you keep on mentioning her ingathi uyakubodarisha? Uyabona pha uyayibhuda for me andiyazi mina abantu asimangcela njani.
Nokuyingena nokuyikhuluma so angikwazi ukukhohlakala okunje.
Mna ingathi ndanemvile uMthombeni esitsho ubana i-reason yoba wathatha uMakhwela wayemthathela ubana uba efuna uthoba uthobile intlantsi because wambona ingathi unentlantsi too much so ibefuna ukukutheyima sisi kuke beyothatha uMakhwela ayifuna ukuhlisa ingathi uphezulu too much ingathi unguza ke onyuke phezulu. Amadoda was funny guys. Because nyhani le ndoda why izayothatha next door wam iziqonda uba iyandicapukela. So ebengafuni sisebefuna ebengafuna ucinga fana uspecial awukho special tu that's why esenza le nto yenza ufuna ukuvisa kabuhlungu ufuna ukubamba ngento eza kukhumbuza everyday abantu ba kanti noba unganemali zonke noba ungawabamba amachangura onke okusalayo umntana yena awunaye and ukukhuphe ishori ngomntu wasecangwa kokweni ukhohlakele nyhani uMthombeni awuxoki xa uthoyo Thobile sisi awuxoki ukhohlakele nyhani umfana lo because uyenzela ntoni le nto ayenzayo yho.
Oh sister wives after the sessions ukuvuthi ushaya isixaxa 4 indlela omunye umuntu I withdraw comrade
ngisasho ukuthi when Makhumalo says ukuthi yintoni leyo that is i-disrespect shameful Makhwela ke menza nganto uMakhumalo okay umenzile ngoshada umyeni wakhe but oyena muntu bekufanele uyamkwatela ngumyeni wakhe not uMakhwela because uMakhwela ulandiwe njengoba naye walandwa and uThobile uyakhohlwa ukuthi waye excited kulandwa ombali kulandwa abanye abantu abazana nabanye manje bengayazi ukuthi ivili liyajika bengayazi ba le ndoda yakhe bale ayinazigqibo. Kumfana ngenazigqibo guys. I really like the fact that the other three which is Stimela sisihlele phansi sakhuluma I wish nothing but the best ukuze bahlalisane kakuhle ezabo segcineni ngabo sisi labantu bakhulisa abantwana the kids involved there you understand so yeah ke sana masidibaneni ki comment section ke sana siyigwadlaze siyigwadlaze. I'm not sure ukuthi ngizayigcina till ixesha lingakana le video because YouTube uyandimonela uyandimonela but ke sana let's enjoy ke bantase.
Sino Mayeni noMakhumalo sise Wild Coast sizogibela ama-bikes. Hello. Okay, cute. Mickey Mouse. Yeah, one thing about Mayeni's body is fire. So Jegule outfit 3 and sibonane njengabo sisi and not njengezitha. It means something. Nelanga lethu seliyaphela. Qala nokubanda sisazondrozela shona phezulu. It's fun.